joining.
Hi, people. Thanks for
Hello.
having me.
Hello. Okay. So now that we are here, thank you guys. Thank you everyone for joining. And so we are going to read this particular piece, which was submitted by Dhruv Janakala. Okay. I hope I'm not butchering his name. And this is a very short one, but and then again, we all know that short things can be sweet, right? So the title of his write-up is "Pages from My Childhood Memories Journal." Okay. Now he says that most of the memories remain in the pictures, but these are some of them which remained in my mind and heart. I remember being 6 years old, excited to help my mom organize groceries, only to mix up two alike looking dals in my enthusiasm. Another time, I tried to pour oil into a container with style, as shown on TV, and ended up spilling an entire liter, much to my mom's dismay. As I grew older, my curiosity shifted toward dinosaur. Oh, my kind of guy. As I grew older, my curiosity shifted toward dinosaur. I became obsessed at 7. I would sneak in episodes of Dinosaur King on low volume while mom was busy with chores. My heart facing my heart facing with both excitement and the thrill of fear about mom's shouting for watching more TV. Pokemon was a huge part of my life too. Oh my god, guys, this is me. Apart from the oil spilling and dal mixing thing, Pokemon was a huge part of my life too. There was nothing better than imagining myself as a Pokemon trainer, catching my favorite Pokemon and spending hours drawing them with all the colors and details my little hands could manage. Oh, that is such a sweet line. On my eighth Diwali brought both joy and a little chaos. In my eagerness to light five sparklers at once, I slipped the all on ground from my hand. I accidentally stepped on it, injuring my finger. Once I healed, though, I received my first ever robot toy, a real robot that could not only move forward and backward but also dance. It felt like magic to my little self, and every moment was filled with laughter, wonder, and pure delight. Schoolhood was fun, but a bright moon cannot replace brilliant stars in sky by Dhruv Janakala. And this particular piece is actually a testament to the fact that you don't have to be the person who's at the peak of a race's writing skills, and you can still impart your feelings in the most perfect way. Before beginning this particular piece, we actually said that, many a times short things could be sweet, and often the simplest things tend to impart most of the emotions, right? I mean, he talks about Pokemon and spending hours drawing them, right? And it sort of reminds us that the time which we have spent drawing our favorite cartoons, in this case Pokemon, which is an anime, but still, you know what I mean, right? And I think everyone who has watched Pokemon or has been an obsessed person with or has been a person who's obsessed with Pokemon, we all had our favorite types, we all had our favorite Pokemons which we thought that we would catch, right? I He talks about Dinosaur King. Personally, I have never seen Dinosaur King, to be honest, because my knowledge of dinosaurs came from, and my curiosity also comes from Jurassic Park, which I feel would be the case for many of you. Right? And then he talks about Diwali when we tend to do certain things which could be deemed stupid at any point of time, yet we do that, right? And he got a robot toy, and oh my goodness, can you imagine as a child getting a small robot toy which not only works, I mean, which not only moves forward and backward but can also dance? That would be a lottery, right? So I'm not really sure if I think Dhruv is not here in the meet. That's a sad thing, but I wish he was, because this is such a beautiful thing he has written, right? And the last line, that schoolhood was fun, but a bright moon can't replace brilliant stars in sky. And that is definitely, I mean, that should be etched on stones, because that is indeed the truth. So yeah, uh, just a second. Let me see in the chat box what you guys have been saying. Uh,
Have you seen
yeah.
those Transformer robots? Eh,
Yes, I actually have seen. I mean, the toys I have seen. Yeah.
One of my friend had it.
Oh,
It was not. I mean, it wasn't actually. Yeah, that was not a Transformer robot. It had wheels on in below its feet, and it could just move forward while standing.
wow, that is
And
interesting.
yeah,
Just imagine getting such a toy as a kid. And others, a robot which has wheels and it can move. Oh my goodness,
yeah,
that would
that
be
was the
crazy.
time when Beyblades were sold,
Oh my
and
goodness, yes, yes.
those actual metal ones.
those were beasts. The metal one. मेरे को
Yeah,
अभी
and
भी याद है.
expensive,
Hmm.
insanely expensive for that time. It was around 200, 250, or 300 rupees per
Yes,
piece.
yes,
I didn't
yes,
had
You
those.
yes.
talk about Beyblades? No, bhai. I also had Beyblades, man. They were so cool, bhai.
Mehul, did you play them in a kadhai?
No, not in a Kadhai, man. Actually,
Uh,
I was in Chandigarh. My most like eldest cousin taught us about Beyblades and all. We used to live in his house for a while. Like we went there for summer vacations, and
right.
they were like kind of Chandigarh guys, posh kind of thing,
Right,
From
right, right.
yeah. So they used to play Beyblades, man. Like it looked so fancy, bro. Like at that
Absolutely,
time,
absolutely.
I remember I once asked my mom to buy me one, and
Hmm.
and she and my Masi, Masi, like
Yes,
her
yes, yes, yes.
sister.
Masi.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So my mom and Masi went to buy a Beyblade for me, like in Chandigarh only. And
Mhm.
like, bro, it was expensive as like I was gonna drop an F bomb, but yeah, it was expensive. Like
Right.
back in the day, man, like 2011 or 12 maybe, bro. It was like 350, bro.
Wow,
And
that is a
Hannah,
lot.
it was like expensive as really
Indeed.
expensive. So
The metal
yeah,
ones, the big ones were truly expensive. Right.
I don't know. It was like white one. I forgot its name, man. It was like one of a kind. So it like switched to like both defense and offense kind of thing, man. It was
Oh,
cool, bro. It was really cool. I
wow.
forgot its name, but yeah, those. I also had like the Transformer one. This guy said no. I
Hmm.
also had that.
Oh, okay. You had a transformer toy.
Yeah, yeah, and like not the very
Nice.
fancy one, but yeah, the basic, very basic
Ah.
one. Yes, yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes. And the dinosaur one. The dinosaur thing reminded me of like when I was a kid, my
Right.
father took us to a mall, like Amritsar.
Yes. I've been there.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't remember the name of the mall, but I was like, I would be like 7 or 8,
Okay.
and I saw a dinosaur. It was like a clay kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
Like I don't remember exactly what it was, but you would be able to like make a dinosaur out of it, you know,
Oh,
like,
okay.
and either in a clay form or what, but it hardened over time, and I don't know if you poured it in it or what it was, but it was really cool, man. I
Oh,
had like
it
two
sounds cool.
dinosaurs, and yeah.
Nice. You know, I mean, yeah. By the way, I didn't mean to interrupt, but just a small thing, and then Mehul, you can continue. We have actually uploaded two of our sessions of from the pages of my childhood and the Sahityaka YouTube channel. It's we have made a
Okay, okay.
separate playlist. So Mehul, yours is up there, and I think there's another guy. His piece has been also uploaded. We have not
Um,
promoted the playlist as of yet. We'll probably start doing that tomorrow. But if you want to, you can go there and listen to it. Okay. So yeah, that is that. But yeah, continue. Mehul.
yeah. Thanks, man. I was actually typing the. I was actually gonna see the video, but I can't
Okay. Okay.
find the channel. Can you send me the link, please? Like after the session.
Okay. Sure. I'll surely
Yeah.
share it with you.
एक पॉइंट बस बोल रहा हूँ शॉर्ट में
हाँ
फास्ट फास्ट
नहीं
एक
फास्ट फास्ट नहीं तुम टाइम लो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है Yeah.
ये बेब्लेड और फिर इसके बाद में क्या बोलते हैं मतलब उसके बेब्लेड वाले जो साल था उसके बाद जस्ट बात की बात है शायद कि बैन 10 उस समय आया था कि नहीं भूल गया लेकिन एक कुंफू मास्टर्स ऑफ द जोडियक करके
हाँ
एनीमे
राइट
था
राइट
एनीमे ही बोलेंगे उसको कुछ 50
राइट
60 एपिसोड्स का था वो
राइट
उसको देखने के लिए जो
कौन सा?
वो है ना एक ऐसा कुछ गाना था 12 मास्टर संग चले हमें बचाने को
याद नहीं भाई, होगा कुछ।
we probably
कुंफू
have to
मास्टर्स ऑफ
YouTube.
द जोडियक नाम था उसका मतलब अभी
याद नहीं करता।
2 साल पहले वापस एक बार यूट्यूब में भी देखा मैं उसको ऐसा बस ऐसे ही कुछ सेकंड देखा था अजीब लगा लेकिन उस समय उतने मतलब लो क्वालिटी था लेकिन जो स्टोरी बनाए थे ना उसमें क्वालिटी था
भाई उस टाइम का लो क्वालिटी का पता नहीं चलता था कि लो क्वालिटी है।
वही
Right,
स्टोरी
right.
इतना सही था अभी एक तो मोटू पतलू करके इतना बर्बाद कर दिए जो
अरे
भी
भाई,
मोटू पतलू
भाई,
फैन है उसको मैं कोई ऑफर नहीं करना चाह रहा लेकिन
अरे नहीं भाई, ऑफेंड होने दो भाई,
वो
होता है तो
वो
भाई।
नहीं जो भी फैन है उनको भी अंदर में पता होगा कि सच है ये।
Damn.
क्योंकि
भाई नहीं पता
मतलब
तो पता होना चाहिए भाई।
जैसे डोरेमोन और मतलब कितरात्सु को इसके बीच में नहीं लाऊंगा मैं कितरात्सु अलग लेवल का
Right.
उसके बारे में कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा
दैट्स
मतलब
तो
जैसे
एक्सेप्टेबल
डोरेमोन में
भाई। एक टाइम के बाद डोरेमोन को भी उन लोग ने एकदम मतलब एफ कर दिया भाई, लाइक लिटरली।
वही वो
उसका एनिमेशन इतना मतलब बिगाड़
वो
दिया ना वो लोग। आई डोंट लाइक
वही
इट
वो
एनीमोर।
एचडी बनाने के चक्कर में उन लोग बाकी आर्टिस्टिक पार्ट उन लोग खराब कर दिए
हटा
फिर
दिए भाई, वो पता नहीं क्या किया,
शिनचैन इसीलिए
मतलब
आजकल
वेरी
अजीब
गुड।
लगता है देखने में
शिनचैन तो
शिनचैन
सेंसर कर दिया
इतना नहीं सेंसर तो है लेकिन अभी भी जैसे मतलब वो मतलब जैसे कि टीवी में क्या हॉटस्टार डाल के रखा हूँ तो उसमें लेटेस्ट एपिसोड करके क्या क्या डेट आते रहता है नया उसमें एकदम हाई क्वालिटी रहेगा लेकिन स्टोरी कुछ खास नहीं है वो पहले
ऐसे
बड़ा सा
नहीं।
मुंडी दिखता था ना वो 480p वाले
हाँ
में
हाँ हाँ।
वो फील ही नहीं है अभी
एक वो आता था भाई, वो जो क्या कहते हैं उसको, स्केटबोर्ड वाला किक, पता नहीं क्या था वो।
किक बटॉस्की
किक
किक
बटॉस्की
बटोस्की भाई, वो
भाई
बहुत कूल था भाई।
वो
उसका दोस्त
वो
था
जैम है
वो अलग ही था वो शो अलग ही था किक
वो
बटॉस्की
अभी
हाँ,
भी
वो बहुत कूल
रैंडम
था भाई।
एपिसोड यूट्यूब में चलाओगे ना तो भी सेम ही आपको महसूस होगा ऐसा है
यस। हाँ, फिनिश एंड फर्ब भी सही था। किड
Phineas and
वर्सेस
Ferb
किड
मैंने
कैट,
देखा
हाँ
था।
वर्सेस
भाई
कैट
वो भी
वर्सेस
देखा है
किड
मैंने।
वर्सेस
परमैन
कैट।
परमैन भी देखा है। जैकी
परमैन भी
चैन आई
अच्छी
नॉट सीन।
अरे
जैकी चैन एडवेंचर्स।
किड वर्सेस कैट लिखा है ना चैट में, ये
अच्छा,
हाँ
इतना
चैट
वो
में
इतना
वो सही था भाई, वो कैट था
इतना
मतलब।
इतना एनोइंग लगता था शुरू में, मेरा छोटा भाई
हाँ
देखता था
भाई
उसको,
वो
लेकिन फिर मैं भी देखना चालू कर दिया।
सही है
okay.
भाई सही।
I think chat. Okay, I guess I have not read the chat yet, guys. So we'll just go to the chat once. And
नीचा है थोड़ी।
Abhineet
नीचा
is saying,
है।
Tanvi, your recording has been up. No, no. Actually, Tanvi's recording has not been uploaded yet. We have just uploaded the first two ones. But Tanvi, your third recording will be the third one that you had read. As far as I remember, you had read PS's piece. So it will be the next one to go up on our channel, the playlist. Okay. So
I think he
फुटबॉल का
mentioned the one related
एक
to
शो था फुटबॉल वाला।
Henry Cavill.
yeah, I have. Wait. Yes. The Henry Cavill one. Yeah. So yeah, that has been cut. That part has been cut. Don't worry. Okay. So
Thank
uh,
you. I'm
uh,
relieved.
don't worry. So in
क्या
that particular.
मतलब ये
Hello,
कार्टून
Abhishek
अनीमे
Bhaiya.
के कार्टून
Thank you for
अनीमे के
joining.
बाद में हेनरी केवल कैसे आ गया? वो कहीं डब किए हैं क्या?
नहीं. Hello, Bhaiya.
ओह,
Hello.
ग्रेविटी
Thank you for
फॉल्स।
joining.
ये ग्रेविटी फॉल्स के बारे में मेरे को बिल्कुल मालूम नहीं था, लेकिन अभी कुछ तब पिछले साल ही मेरा भाई ऐसा चलाया, या फिर मैं ही खोजा था टीवी में, पुराने पुराने ऐसे कार्टून लिस्ट थे हॉटस्टार में, तो फिर देखा
अभी
ये पुराना है। मैं सोचा नया था, इतना इतना सही था उसका स्टोरी। मतलब अलग ही है ना वो, एकदम छोटे बच्चों के लिए है भी नहीं, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा वो, पता नहीं कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूं, सट सट टाइप होके आ रहा है चैट में।
चैट आज एकदम एक्टिव हो गया है क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैं देख रहा हूँ थोड़ी सी पोकेमोन की भी बात हुई है. आई कैन सी अभिनीत has some for some reason Abhinit has called Dark Cry as Dark Rai. Okay, so it feels a little bit weird, but meanwhile, guys, before we jump on to the next topic, let's just go through what the people have written in the chat box. So Swan has said that, so Berlin has Swan has commended the ending of the piece that is written by Dhruv. Berlin has said the same. Swan has said that amateurs write raw and genuine, making it relatable. Indeed, that's true. Berlin is saying, I thought in both the lines it's used as a pun. Okay, she is talking about the death thing. Okay. And Sarthak Gupta has shared something in the G space. I'm not sure if we are allowed to send any. Oh, fine. Minu or Shreya might take care of it, nevertheless. Tanvi is saying it's those little simple things that really resonates with every one of us. Absolutely. And guys, after reading the chat box, I'll share something from my childhood. Okay, a little thing. I don't know if you guys will understand where I'm coming from, but then again, I just want to put it forward. Tanvi says it's those little simple things that really resonates with every one of us. Berlin is saying, yeah, I mean not pun, but I forgot the literary device, sorrow. Sorry, now on to the summary. Okay, she's still talking about death and sleep. Uh, and Swan is saying astrophysics. Okay, I didn't understand that reference. Do
अरे
elaborate.
भाई,
हाँ,
एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स बोले ना, उसी समय
हाँ,
मैं ऐसे ऊपर देखा
हाँ, हाँ.
और आज तारे दिख रहे हैं।
अरे आदर्श, अगर हो सके तो एक फोटो लेके भेजो यार. फोटो लेके भेजो.
भाई तारे दिख रहे हैं, पता नहीं कैसे दिख रहे हैं, लेकिन नहीं दिख, कभी नहीं दिखते हैं यहाँ पे, एक गिन के दिखेगा कभी, मैक्स है 1, लेकिन आज दिख रहे हैं।
बढ़िया. Sweet. Enjoy the view, brother. Enjoy the view. Devansh is saying Dinosaur King was one of my favorite show on Sonic. Oh, actually, I've never heard of it, but I should check it out. Berlin is saying don't read minds. Transformers, they were called, right? Okay, I think she's talking about the toy. Tanvi says those are the best ones for real. I might even geek over those toys even now. We'll keep as collectibles. True that, Tanvi. True. But you guys can geek out in the chat box, everyone. Abhineet is saying I had two Beyblades. Amazing, bro. Berlin is saying those sort of geometries also used to be there. Okay, Berlin has gone crazy. Swan is saying, I had a DVD sized Beyblade. It was huge and expensive. Okay, Swan has weapons of mass destruction. Himanshu is saying, 10 rupees wali. Yeah, in Kadai. Exactly, because we didn't have a base stadium. So we कहीं पे भी जैसे मान लो कोई गुरुद्वारा होता था या किसी मंदिर में जहाँ पे लंगर वगैरह या कुछ चलता था ना, तो बड़ी बड़ी जो कढ़ाइयाँ होती थी वो खाली रहती थी, तो हम बच्चे खेलने चले जाते थे वहाँ पे बेब्लेड लेके जाते थे और बड़ी कढ़ाई में चलाते थे. एंड इट
वो
वाज
बेब्लेड, सॉरी इंटरप्टिंग
नहीं नहीं
करिए,
कोई नहीं
मैं
कोई नहीं कोई नहीं. हाँ.
ये लाइन में बोलना ही नहीं चाहता था. ये सब क्या एकदम फॉर्मल जैसा लाइन निकला मेरे मुंह से.
हाँ वही तो.
आदत बिगड़ गया. मैं बोल रहा था वो 10 रुपए के भावरे या लट्टू की बात कर रहा है लगता है.
हाँ
कढ़ाई
हो सकता
मतलब
है. हाँ 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 जो
बेब्लेड
टॉप
का टॉपिक नहीं है वो.
हाँ हाँ राइट
Uh,
राइट. 10 रुपए में
also,
तो आई डोंट थिंक. हाँ हाँ
uh,
बोलो.
at the earlier days, there was 10 rupee Beyblade, and that is completely of plastic.
अच्छा उसमें भी क्या वो लॉन्चर आता था जिसको कोट एंड
हाँ.
कोट लॉन्चर बोलते हैं.
ओ
वाह.
Yeah.
हो अरे
It has plastic launcher.
मेरे मन में
Okay.
उसका फोटो आ गया. एकदम
10
छोटा वो
rupees, 15
कितना.
rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, and 30 rupees. Three of plastic, and then next plastic with few metals. 50 rupees, then 100 rupees, and then the metal one starting with 200, 250, and 500.
ये
Right.
1-1.5 इंच का था, मेरे को याद है. एकदम छोटा सा ही था वो. उसका
Right.
लॉन्चर भी छोटा सा था. उसका जो जैसे जिप टाइप जैसा तो रहता था ना उसका लॉन्चर. वो भी पतला सा था. मतलब अब याद आ गया. एकदम चमकता था वो ऊपर से.
बड़ी
It
सही
has
नहीं. हाँ नहीं बोलो.
it has stickers of specific characters.
या जो
ये आप
बिट बीस
गूगल
होते
इमेज
थे. बिट बीस बीट
गूगल इमेज से देख देख के बता रहे हो क्या?
ड्रैगन ट्रॉन्सर ये सब क्या रहता था. ट्रिगर. हेलो रोहित, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग ब्रदर.
वो उस समय लेकिन जितने चिप्स के पैकेट या जो भी ऐसे खाने पीने का था ना बच्चों का, सब में टॉयज मिलते थे. अब नहीं
Absolutely.
मिलते हैं. सिर्फ क्रैक्स में मिलता है. वही कौन खरीदे उसको.
अब वो क्रेज भी नहीं रहा क्योंकि सबके पास इतनी सारी चीजों की
स्मार्टफोन आ गया ना
एक्सेसिबिलिटी आ
बच्चों
गई
के
ना.
पास. अब क्यों खरीदेंगे उन लोग.
वही वही
पहले
बर्लिन.
सबसे बस ये बता रहा हूँ, भूल
हाँ
जाओ.
नहीं नहीं बोलो. नहीं प्लीज प्लीज कोई बात नहीं. बोलो बोलो बोलो. कोई बात नहीं. कोई दिक्कत की बात.
रुको मैं ना ब्रांड याद कर रहा हूँ किसका था.
हाँ.
अच्छा हाई क्वालिटी टॉयज देता था वो. ठीक है.
फन स्कूल.
मतलब मैं सिर्फ टॉयज डायरेक्टली नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. ये सब जो फ्री में मिलता था ना, चिप्स के पैकेट या फिर वो
अच्छा
क्या नाम है.
It started with gems. It started with gems ball.
अच्छा
नहीं,
हाँ.
अरे बिंगो भाई,
जेम्स.
अरे जेम्स में भाई, जेम्स में बहुत सही सही पार्ट आते थे भाई.
गाइस सबसे पहले ये मिलता था चीटोस और अंकल चिप्स के साथ.
अरे यही तो मैं
पोकेमॉन
याद
के
कर रहा हूँ. मैं चीटोस की बात कर रहा हूँ.
ये चीटोस में छोटू छोटू से आते थे.
हाँ, quality one started with gems ball.
Bro,
Ben
क्या बात
Affleck
कर रहे
चीटोस
हो?
वगैरह भी कॉपी किए थे.
चीटोस में वो ऐसे गोल गोल घुमाने का आता था. फिर ऐसे
Tazo आता था,
रेक्टेंगल.
हाँ.
हाँ रेक्टेंगल शेप का कार्ड भी आता था उसमें. फिर ऐसे अरे
Guys, you know, I have to deny it. I'll tell you something. You guys are too young to. I think Adarsh would remember, but rest of you are too young to remember the quality of treasures that came out of Uncle Chips and Cheetos. ये जो आप लोग जेम्स का बात
वही
कर
तो
रहे हो
है.
ना,
जेम्स तो
ये
बाद में
लायक
आया.
ही नहीं था. वो लायक ही नहीं था. जो अंकल चिप्स और चीटो के साथ मिलता था, that was official merchandising of Pokemon. And you know,
वही
खतरनाक टैजोस और जेंगा कार्ड जिनकी आदर्श बात कर रहा है, वो इतने चल रहे थे कि एक के बाद एक वो नई चीजें डालते थे. टैजो से शुरू हुआ, फिर जेंगा पे आया, फिर वो स्पिनर पे आया जो घूमता था, फिर वो 3D मॉडल्स बनाने पे आया, फिर मल्टी कार्ड्स पे आ गया. भाई जो मैंने
मॉडल्स क्या क्या थे. जेम्स का मेरे को कभी इज्जत नहीं था मेरे मन में, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ पैंडा दे रहा है सिंपल. उसमें कुछ करने को नहीं था. बस रखोगे उसको, सजाओगे, अपने घर में रख दोगे उसको. वैसा चीज है ना. इसमें कुछ एक्टिविटी, भले ही कुछ सेकंड का वो एक्टिविटी था कि ऐसे उसको फाड़ के निकालो, फिर इधर अलग अलग जॉइन करो, कट करो, जो भी.
आदर्श एक्सचेंज.
अरे
तेरे पास
ये
40,000 है तो मेरे पास ये है, ले एक्सचेंज कर लेते हैं. ब्रो लोग मरते थे. 40,000 किसी के पास नहीं था. मेरे पास एक 40,000 था. लोग लिटरली चोरी किए मेरे से मेरा चालीसार्ड वाला
अरे
कैसे छुपाने
बाप
के।
रे।
सही में मैं मतलब
Charizard is one of the coolest Pokemon
एब्सोल्युटली।
ever.
और चालीसार्ड का बहुत रेयरली मिलता था ब्रो। मेरे को तो 10 बार रैटिकेट निकला है। 100 रुपए का
Yeah, I
मोटा
can
चूहा
remember.
मिला है मुझे।
100 रुपए का मोटा चूहा।
हाँ 10 रुपए का आता था ना पैकेट, तो 10 10
हाँ।
10 10 खरीदे तो 100 रुपए चले गए, उसमें से रैटिकेट निकला। एंड मोटा चूहा मैंने इसलिए कहा क्योंकि अगर आप में से किसी को पता नहीं है रैटिकेट कैसा दिखता है, तो इट इज लिटरली अ फैट रैट।
A fat rat.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. पर्पल कलर का मोटा सा चूहा।
वो नहीं,
उसके
पर्पल
बाद
उसका छोटा वाला है, दैट इज रैटिटा। रैटिकेट उसका
Rattata.
विक्स-
ओ राइट राइट राइट।
हाँ।
अच्छा वो मोटा वाला एकदम।
हाँ
मैं तो रहता तू इमेजिन कर रहा
रैटिटा ऐसा भद्दा है ना वो, तुम रैटिटूई बोल रहे हो ना, वो खाना बनाएगा नहीं, वो खा जाएगा।
I still have my childhood memory with me. The sticker of Chota Bheem got with the scratch cards.
अरे बाप रे,
ओह,
कैसे
I
बचा
still
रहा,
with
इसका
that.
स्टोरी क्या है?
कार्ड्स भी तो आता था भाई, पोकेमोन का एंड क्रिकेट्स का। क्या था
हाँ
And
क्रिकेट
and
अटैक्स।
it
भाई बहुत कार्ड्स थे भाई, बहुत कार्ड्स थे
बहुत
हमको।
बहुत कर
and it also travels around 5 or 6 states and still got saved.
Yes, WWE ones, yes, Berlin, yes. Man, भाई fun it was, fun it was. The cricket attacks and WWE ones, man.
Today the chat
बहुत
box has gone crazy. Everyone has gone crazy. पता है मैं
भाई।
स्क्रॉल डाउन
Then हम लोग
कर
बोले ना कि पांडा
हाँ।
ones
I mean,
was
it's a
not
question
good.
of our childhood, what do you call it? Crazy things that we loved back then. So everyone just flooded the chat box.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
I mean, we had free tattoos, and I didn't collect all those little pieces
अरे
because my mom forbade me from buying anything. I'm banned from
Mhm.
getting anything. So it was very rare that the max I got was bubblegum.
Oh, yes,
That
those
too,
tattoos.
tintily from the school canteen.
Ah,
That too, when like the max I could do was
टैटू
1
याद
rupee,
आ
2
गया, अब
rupee.
बताओ।
I could manage to get, and I'll go and buy that bubble gum and put that tattoo. And I really try my best to not make my mom see that tattoo because she doesn't like those on the skin.
oh, that
Same.
is sad.
So,
That is sad.
yeah, I mean,
ए,
yeah, extreme discipline we had, but then, yeah, that was really the best moments I could remember. And there was Champak Jogo disc. So I played those games back then. That was the only time I played something like a game which was digital. Because after I grew up,
Oh.
I sort of grew out of games. I mean, I don't
Mhm.
think they're as fun as the games back then, because right now
Mhm.
it just seems I don't know. I don't seem to like them. It's just not fitting my taste. Back then we had a disc, like it was called Pandora's Box, and you had really cool facts and information in that. You know, that was like so cool for me. There was a
Mhm.
magazine called Manorama Tell Me Why,
Right,
and
right,
we
right,
got goodies from Magic Pot. I mean, I loved
right,
Magic Pot for that goodies alone.
right,
But then
right.
I grew out of it after I started reading Manorama Tell Me Why.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
Tinkle was so good until
Tinkle.
Anant Pai was around. So I'm
True.
I'm like more of the book nerd kind of a person. So my childhood
Mhm.
revolves around those collections which I had. It's mostly books, completely books. But yeah,
Right,
it was
right.
fun. But now I don't seem to have the same enthusiasm.
No, indeed,
But yeah.
books like Tinkle and Champak, Magic Pot, and then you had Chanda Mama and all these things.
Yeah, Chanda Mama
Yeah.
was nice too. But I don't know, they discontinued after a point. I mean,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
could not find the books.
right, 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 right. These
I
books,
I
yeah,
used to read Balhans.
Bal
As
Hans, yes,
yeah,
yes,
every fortnight.
right, 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 right.
फिर ऐसा
There
तो
was
मेरे को
another
उतना कॉमिक
boring book
मिला नहीं।
called
Yeah, please go ahead, please go ahead.
चलो मैं ही बोल देता हूँ।
Okay, 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 okay.
मतलब ये क्या, बुक्स का तो पता नहीं, मेरे को एक्सेस नहीं मिल पाया, ऐसा ध्यान नहीं दिया हूँ, लगता है मैं ध्यान ही नहीं दिया होगा। फिर एक बार कभी चंपक वाला ऐसा पेपर में आया, फिर मेरे को लगा कि सिर्फ न्यूज़पेपर वाले ही दे सकते हैं कॉमिक बुक, ऐसा मेरे को मालूम चला था।
हाँ
लेकिन
right,
गलत इन्फो था मेरे लिए, लेकिन
right.
ऐसा लगा कि सिर्फ न्यूज़पेपर्स वाले ही दे सकते हैं, तो मैं
हम्म,
उनसे बात कर रहा था, भैया ये कब मिलता है, कैसे
अरे अरे अरे
बुक स्टोर पे जाके ले सकते हैं करके दिमाग नहीं था मेरे पास।
हम्म, हम्म, नहीं बट तुम्हारी बात भी सही है, कई बार ना न्यूज़पेपर जो डिलीवरी करते हैं उनसे भी आप सब्सक्रिप्शन ले सकते हो।
हाँ, लेकिन उनको खुद मालूम ही
For
नहीं रहता
me,
ना उतना।
हम्म,
क्या था
it,
अनवी,
it
को
was like, yeah, I mean, it was railway station things, like
the
I
Venus,
used to change so many schools. Like I changed 10 schools throughout my whole school thing.
right,
So each time we moved to a different place, either it was the railway station or the airport or something, there you'd have these bookstores. And
right.
that was my favorite part. Like, I get to choose books, and, because I keep bugging my parents on journey, so they'll buy me a book to shut me up. And that was
Right,
the one rare times I got things like, juice or chips or things like that. That's how I collected a few things.
right,
Like
right.
Ben 10 cards. I don't know where I got them from, but I seem to be having a few Ben 10 cards and
Mhm.
colorful sharpeners.
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
and
That
I
is
I don't know how many girls relate to this, but I was a crazy fan of Barbie. I don't, I don't know if anyone else relate to this, but all those, Barbie dolls, pink
mhm.
pens, pencils, pink erasers, the scented
Right,
erasers and all.
right,
Yeah,
right.
I was crazy for these and those little makeup sets which they, I mean, they gift kids back then.
Okay.
So yeah, the bags, pencil pouches, and all, like, it's targeted towards kids that way. But back then, that was really, really fun.
Oh, they were
So
treasures. They were definitely
yeah,
वो
treasures.
that was
फ्रूट्स
very
वाले
rare.
फ्रूट्स वाले
Yeah,
इरेजर याद करो,
yeah.
असली में खुशबू आते थे उस फल के।
True, 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 true. Absolutely true. Absolutely true. And Berlin has written something that is very close to my heart as well. Jaljeera Rasna and that Amchur and all those aam ki goliyan or chote chote aam papad with namak on them. Exactly. There was this thing
Yes, man. Yes, Aam Papad thing, bro. That was crazy, like crazy
and
thing.
Mehul, do you remember this one thing that I've only tasted in Punjab? It was called Chatpate Dil. It was a
But
heart-shaped hajmola like goli. It was called
but
Chatpate Dil.
no, I remember those the Tare one walas.
Chantare, Chantare. Yes, yes, yes,
Chand
yes.
Tare one.
Right,
That was
right.
cool, man. We
Yes,
don't get it
I know both.
anymore.
Oh, you guys don't get it? I get it here. Chantare, Satmola, these are still available here. Okay, I'll
Yeah.
show you.
I've never seen those around, man. Never.
I'll show you the dibbi. Okay, I'll buy a few, kal, and I'll show you.
Mm, nice, nice.
Now it costs
I've
10
seen those
rupees.
orange
Earlier,
candies one.
Mm-hmm.
earlier it
Sant
was
Mola or free.
5 rupees.
I
Now
don't
it costs
know.
10 rupees.
Chand Sitare used to have
I
delices.
don't know how many of
It's
you
not-
might have seen this thing, but I don't know if it's a thing in northern areas. But in my place, when I was a kid, those very few months I spent in Nellore, it's in Andhra Pradesh.
Mm.
So we got these local things which you tie around like a thread around your neck or something, but it's actually candy. I don't
Oh,
know who knows.
no, I have
It
seen them, but I've never
spins.
tasted them. Yeah.
Yeah, it
Are those
spins and it's
white colored ones?
colorful. No, it's got so many colors. It was lost, I think. I think I was one of the last people to experience that kind of things because after me, I didn't see anybody else getting them. Like it spins, but it's actually candy. And little radium balls, we had those too, and we got those bubble gums as well.
Which
And
bubble gums? Which bubble gums?
I mean, they look like radium balls. I mean, I did
Are
the
they
mistake
sour?
once.
Are they sour in taste?
अरे वो
Not
याद है क्या
really,
किसी को, एक पाउडर पाउडर जैसा था छोटे से पाउच में,
Mm-hmm.
and it sparkles,
उसको
no?
जीप में रख, हाँ शायद वही
Oh
नाम है,
yes, yep,
Yeah,
yep.
चट चट
Pop,
man,
चट
pop,
that
चट
was
मस्त
golden, golden stuff.
pop,
I went
pop
crazy for
rocks,
that.
pop rocks or something. That was the name. It
वही
was
वैसे ही
pop.
Yeah,
कुछ था, अजीब सा नाम
Mhm.
था।
yeah,
And I'm
and
sure we
also,
have. Yeah, yeah, Tami, go ahead.
and like kids played pranks on each other. Like you had a small box sort of thing which looked like it had bubblegum sheets in it, but if you pull it, you will get an electric shock.
Really?
So
Yeah.
क्या बोल रहे हो, नहीं देखे क्या कभी ऐसा?
Man, that was
No.
that was a really evil thing to do, but later we loved doing it to each other.
What sort
That
of
was
weapons were you holding back
अरे
then?
बहुत कॉमन है, तो पता नहीं आपके हाथ कैसे नहीं आया।
नहीं सही में नहीं आया।
It gives a 5
Design.
volt current.
Oh, okay. Can someone please look it up on the internet and share the picture in the lounge, please? Kindly do it.
उसका
I want to see what sort
उसका
of a weapon Tanvi was
उसका
playing with.
पावर सोर्स तो मेरे को मालूम नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे पास था नहीं, तो मैं उसको नहीं खोल पाया। तो दूसरे का खरीदा हुआ बर्बाद नहीं कर सकता था। तो अब मेरे को लगा कि जैसे लाइटर के अंदर वो रहता है ना, ऐसे इग्नाइट करने वाला पार्ट, तो वैसा कुछ मैकेनिज्म होगा करके सोचा, लेकिन वो तो हल्का सा खींचने से ही करंट मारता था शायद, और लाइटर के उसमें अच्छा खासा फोर्स चाहिए, तो सेल्स हो सकते हैं शायद, मालूम नहीं। अब अभिनीत
Yeah.
बोल रहे हैं कि 5 वोल्ट है, तो होगा फिर सेल।
Cells. That button cells usually
बटन
means
सेल्स
watches.
लिथियम आयन, हाँ।
and there is this universal rumor. I don't know how universal this can be, but pencil shavings in your notebook will turn into peacock feather. So I actually fell for it. I was in 2nd grade, and
I've never had.
पेंसिल कितना परफेक्टली छील सकते हैं, इसका भी कंपटीशन किए हो क्या?
हाँ।
Yes.
oh
वो
yeah,
फुल लेवल
yeah.
ओसीडी बोलो या जो भी बोलो,
The
एकदम
long
परफेक्शन।
sharp sharpener.
हाँ, सिर्फ अप्सरा का ही पावर था, नटराज का शार्पनर तो इतना स्मूथ नहीं था।
So the pointiest pencil wins.
And North has this rumor, like when those pencil left out with the pencil and mixed with the milk will turn into eraser.
Milk will turn into eraser?
हाँ
Yes.
ये रूमर से बहुत फैला था, सही बोल रहे
Oh,
मिट भाई।
yeah, I've heard that
हाँ,
too.
मैं भी सुना हूँ।
बट आज तक कहीं बन नहीं पाया।
मैंने एक सुना था कि एक च्युइंग गम आता था लोको पोको। लोग बोल रहे कि लोको पोको और बिग बबूल जो है, इट इज मेड आउट ऑफ सुअर का चमड़ी। ठीक है, I was like, okay, I'll eat it. It tastes good, but yeah, I'm sorry.
मैं भी सुना हूँ।
सुअर की चमड़ी से कोई क्यों बनाएगा?
Yeah, I mean, they were like, look at the pig in the photo. It looks pink. This bubblegum is also pink, so it's made out of pig's skin.
Yeah,
ओहो, ऐसा लॉजिक।
that was crazy. But like, see, all of us are discussing stuff and having fun, and this is only because of revolt of 1857. Mangal Pandey, oh my goodness. Swan has really got crazy one-liners. Yes. I won't say anything, मुझे arrest नहीं होना है, but that is amazing. That is one perfect line. But
और
guys,
क्या लिख दिया?
ये स्वर्ण लिखा है, देखो कि जब मैं वो सुअर की चमड़ी से
Actually,
बनी
I also had the same thoughts when I heard of the bubblegum being
Oh.
made of pig's skin.
You thought of Mangal Pandey?
I mean, yeah, I mean, think about it. Everyone was saying this, and then I mean, I just thought of it right now, and someone just wrote it in the comments.
Right. And if that is the case, we must thank the candy makers for the independence of our nation, because that ignited the fire.
But we still love
एक
boomer bubblegum.
ये कैंडी मेकर बोले ना,
हाँ,
मेरे को एक छोटा सा शॉर्ट वीडियो याद आया।
हम्म,
शॉर्ट वीडियो इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, उसमें रील नहीं आया था।
okay.
कोई मूवी का सीन है, ऐड है, कुछ तो था कि ये जितने क्यूट कैंडीज हैं या
हम्म,
ऐसे जो भी है,
हम्म।
उसको एकदम रिप्ड लोग बनाते बॉडी बिल्डिंग वाले।
कौन बनाते हैं?
अरे एकदम बॉडी बिल्डर्स रहते हैं, एकदम रिप्ड बॉडी रहता है जिन लोग।
ओके।
हाँ, वैसे मतलब फ्रंट एंड बोल रहा हूँ ना, दुकान के सामने में बेच रहा है कोई, मतलब अच्छा सा एकदम, क्या बोले, मतलब ऐसा फ्रेंडली लुक था जिस जो बेच रहा है, लड़की थी लड़का मेरे को याद नहीं,
हम्म।
पीछे जो फैक्ट्री है वहां पे बड़े बड़े लोग बना रहे कैंडी बना रहे हो।
रोहित इज आस्किंग किसी ने बॉम्बे मिठाई खाई है? पता नहीं ब्रो, बॉम्बे मिठाई तो शायद देखा होगा, नाम नहीं पता, खाया भी होगा हो सकता
बॉम्बे मिठाई बम्बैया खाए हो कि नहीं बताओ पहले।
है। बम्बैया भाई, इज आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम थिंग? आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम थिंग?
बच्चों का गुटखा है वो।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
टेस्ट
बॉम्बे
याद
मिठाई।
करो
I
एक
don't
बार
know if
थोड़ा
it
सा
was just
दिमाग में
me,
जोर
but
डाल
like,
के।
Yeah, Tanvi.
yeah, I mean, TV ads back then were actually cool.
Yes, yes, they were
Like,
cool.
I remember the Bonvita ad, where
Mhm.
one dude plays judo or something. That was the
Mhm.
coolest ad. I still remember that.
Yeah, the ads were really good. Ads were really cool
Yeah.
back then. Yeah.
I mean, I wanted Bonvita after that. It was, I am like, please send me to martial arts as well.
So that
You know,
served the purpose.
yeah, it really did. But I didn't get Bonvita, but I got sent to play martial arts. But then, yeah, it didn't
Mm.
happen the way I wanted. But
Right. Okay.
it, but it somehow I did things like I see. I mean, those ads were really influential. Like we see them and we want to be
Mhm.
like them and all that.
True that. True that. True that. True that. Yeah, that is there. So the fact that we all had a great time discussing these collectibles, these products, and all these things, and have a laugh. I think this the credit goes to Dhruv, right? Because we have been reading a lot of pieces from this event, but I think we have never gone this wild. After reading a particular writer, right? So, a huge round of applause for uh, Dhruv, right? 10 to 10. Okay. And so, yeah, I'll just want to end this part of the session with a small experience of mine. Uh, so, Pokemon started when I was in, like, the first time Pokemon was telecasted in uh, India. I think it was when I was in UKG, okay, if I'm not wrong. So I was really young, and I have been watching Pokemon since then. So I was most probably not even 5 when it started, okay, and Pokemon actually ended, like Ash's journey ended. I think 1 year ago, I think, or two. Okay, so yeah, that's all I just want to say, that sort of like this whole thing started when I was at 3 or 4 and ends when I'm 27 or 26, right? So तब की है जब गांधी जी अफ्रीका गए। हाँ, मैं ही तो था जिन्होंने फेंक दिया था ट्रेन से। So yeah, I just wanted to say that such certain things are they tend to grow, not just grow onto you, but
सुभाष चंद्र बोस का बदला लेने के लिए
हाँ, क्या क्या क्या
सुभाष चंद्र बोस का बदला लेने के लिए अपना फेंक दिया उनको ट्रेन से।
So that is the point, that many a times things just don't grow onto you, they sort of grow with you as well. So thank you everyone for joining this particular session, and again thank you Dhruv for presenting us with a beautiful, adorable piece. And it would have been amazing if you were here, but I hope that you will be listening to this particular recording and have a good time. So thank you Dhruv as well, and I will be stopping the recording.